Mid-elixir. Knowledge and thoughts are to be shared. Quick revision series for competitive examinations. Gynecology.
Living ligature of uterus.
Myometrium. Myometrium is one among the three layers of uterus. It's the middle layer and it's the thickest wall of uterus.
Skin's gland is homologous to
Prostate.
labia majora is homologous to.
Scrotum.
We repeat again. Labia majora is homologous to.
Scrotum.
Clitoris is homologous to.
Penis.
We repeat again. Clitoris is homologous to.
Penis.
Smallest part of fallopian tube is.
Interstitial part, and the widest part of fallopian tube is ampulla. Fertilization takes place in the ampulla of fallopian tube.
So we repeat, smallest part of fallopian tube is.
Interstitial portion.
Pec cells are seen in.
Fallopian tube.
We repeat, pec cells are seen in.
Fallopian tube.
Hydroadenoma is the tumor of.
Apocrine glands.
We repeat, hydroadenoma is the tumor of.
Apocrine gland.
Diagnostic test for lymphogranuloma venereum.
Frey's test. Lymphogranuloma venereum is caused by Chlamydia trachomatis.
We repeat, diagnostic test for lymphogranuloma venereum is Frey's test.
Prolapse. The degrees of prolapse. First degree prolapse. Descent of cervix into the vagina. I repeat, first degree prolapse means descent of cervix into the vagina. Second degree prolapse is descent of cervix up to the introitus. I repeat, second degree prolapse means descent of cervix up to the introitus. Third degree prolapse is descent of cervix outside the introitus. And finally, complete prolapse means procedentia. That means uterus is outside the pelvis.
Hope nail cells are seen in.
Mesonephroid tumor, also known as clear cell carcinoma.
Again we repeat, hope nail cells are seen in.
Mesonephroid tumor.
Waltert cells are seen in.
Brenner's tumor.
Waltert cells are seen in.
Brenner's tumor.
Most common complication of dermoid cyst is.
Torsion.
We repeat, the most common complication of dermoid cyst is.
Torsion.
Most common degenerative seen in fibroid is.
Hyaline degeneration.
Most common degeneration seen in fibroid is.
Hyaline degeneration.
The most common cause of menorrhagia is.
Submucous fibroid.
The most common cause of menorrhagia is.
Submucous fibroid.
The most common cause of primary amenorrhea.
Ovarian dysgenesis.
The most common cause of primary amenorrhea.
Ovarian dysgenesis.
Most common second cause of primary amenorrhea is.
Mullerian agenesis.
The most common second cause of primary amenorrhea is.
Mullerian agenesis.
The most cause of secondary amenorrhea in India is.
Genital tuberculosis.
We repeat again. The most common cause of secondary amenorrhea in India is.
Genital tuberculosis.
Now, thank you for your patient hearing. And we hope that everyone will perform well for your coming examinations.
Thank you.